Hello, welcome. Let's see how we can provide answer to this question. We are still on the tutorial on the frustum of a cone, part 5 of that episode. So in the figure below, we have to find the volume of the frustum if the radii of the bases are 2 centimeter and 7 centimeter respectively, and the height is 12 centimeter. Remember, we have two ways of solving this. One, I'll go straight forward with the formula. So by solution, we can say that the volume is going to be 1/3 pi h r squared rr plus r squared. Just quoting the formula. These are the r capital is for the radius of the base, the bigger base or the bottom base. Then the r small letter is the radius of the upper base, right? So in this case, I'll be having 1/3 pi. Okay, let's go for pi. 22/7. Let's go for the height, which is 12. Let's rearrange it in this way to get a space. 1/3, 22/7, 12. This is the R capital, so that will be 7 squared. Then we have 7 times small one, which will be 2 plus 2 squared. I believe this will be 1, going here 4. So 4 times this will be 88/7 times 49 plus 14 plus 4. So 88/7. If you add the things in there, you can get this to be 63. So we have 67. So per our calculator manipulation, that will give us 842.286 centimeter cube. So you are done. If you want to quote the formula, so we just quote the formula and we are good to go. All right. Now we can also take the alternative method, whereby we are going to introduce, let's say, this is our frustum, right? So this will be the radius. We know this frustum is truncated form of a bigger cone, right? It's a cone. This one you are seeing, it continues up. So if I use this as the height, h, or let's just say, okay, h, this is going to be, what do we have there? Radius 2. This is radius, what? 7. So we can also try to find the height of this. The height of the part that has been taken off. If I can find that height, we can be able to find the volume of the complete cone minus the volume of the smaller one. Then we arrive at this. Let's try that. So in this case, we know the height to be 12. So let's take this as a triangle. This as a triangle in here. You have here to be h, 12, 7, 2. Similar triangle, because this is right angle triangles. So the smaller one, we can take it as h divided by h plus 12 equals to 2 divided by 7. Taking the smaller triangle first, the vertical side divided by the vertical side or the longer one is equals to the smaller one, horizontal, divided by horizontal, just to find the h. So in this case, if I cross multiply, okay, let me come down. So I have 7h equals to 2h plus what? 12. If you fast forward, you see that if you open this bracket, you get 24, right? Let this one come here, and that will be giving us 7h minus 2h equals to 24. What would that be? 5h, 24. H will be 24/5. We are going to have h equals to 24 divided by 5 will give us 4.8, which if you approximate, you will get 5. So we add our centimeter to it. So now we know the height. What are we going to do? We are going to find the volume of the bigger one, which is the complete one. So volume of, okay, let's say bigger cone. What is the volume of a cone? We know it is 1/3 pi r square h. But in this case, what is the r? R is the base. We use capital R. What is the h? The h is capital H plus what? Small h. This is the capital H. This is the small h. If you add this and this, it gives you the complete height of the complete cone. So the volume of the bigger one will be equals to 1/3 times 22/7 times, we have 7 square times, if you add this, which is 4.8 plus this, that will be, let's say, 16.8. Let's just write this down. Volume of big will be equals to 1/3, 22 times 7 square times 16.8. You know, this is going to be 4 plus this, that will be 16.8. So let's compute that on our calculator, and that will give us the volume to be 862.4 still centimeter cube. So let's go for volume of smaller cone, which will also be 1/3 pi r square h, where the small letters will be what we are using. This is the smaller r here and the smaller h. This will be 1/3, 22/7 times the radius, which is 2 square, the height 4.8. So putting that on a calculator, that will give us our 20.111 centimeter cube. Therefore, volume of Frustum will be equal to the volume of the bigger one, 806, 2.4 minus 20.11. What do we think we're going to get? That will give us 842.29 centimeter cube. So you can see, passing through the two approach, any of the approach that you are conversant with, if you can remember the formula, just put the formula and go. If you can't, then let's break it down in this nature. I guess you follow. Don't forget, in the question we stated 4, but on the diagram it is 2. So we use the 2 to calculate. It means that they are supposed to be 2 if you check it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye bye.